In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Substack password. Whether you've forgotten your current password or simply want to update it for security reasons, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, if you're unable to remember your Substack password, or if you just feel like it's time for a change, your first move is to ask Substack to send you an email that will allow you to set a new password. This email acts as a gateway to resetting your credentials securely, ensuring that your account remains protected throughout the process. To initiate this request, you will need to visit the Forgot Password page on Substack. You can do this by navigating to substack.com/account/forgot. Email. This link will direct you to a page specifically designed for handling password resets. It's straightforward and user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to manage their password settings. Once you're on the Forgot Password page, you will see a field where you need to enter the email address associated with your Substack account. Ensure that you use the correct email address you initially used to sign up or log into Substack. This is crucial because the password reset email will be sent to this specific address. After entering your email, look for the button that says Send Email and click on it. By doing this, you're confirming your request to receive a password reset email from Substack. This step is essential as it triggers the system to send you an email containing further instructions for resetting your password. Now head over to your email inbox and look for the email from Substack. Be sure to check your spam or junk folders if you don't see it in your main inbox within a few minutes, as sometimes emails can be filtered incorrectly. When you find the email, open it and read through the instructions carefully. This email will contain a link which is your key to setting a new password. Follow the instructions provided in the email from Substack. Typically, it will guide you through the process of creating a new password. Make sure your new password is strong, combining a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Once you've successfully set a new password, you can use it to log into your Substack account as usual, and that's it. You've now successfully changed your Substack password. Remember to store your new password in a safe place, or consider using a password manager to keep track of your credentials securely. By maintaining strong, updated passwords, you're taking a significant step toward protecting your online accounts. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.